Battery saving tips and tricks. One way to save power is to turn off apps you're not currently using. To turn off an app that is running, drag down the notification panel from the top. Then find and tap the Settings icon. Tap Application Manager. Tap the app that you want to stop. And tap the Force Stop button. And tap the OK button. Another way to save battery power is by turning off Bluetooth, location, and Wi-Fi when you're not using them. To get to Settings quickly, drag down the notification panel from the top. Then just tap the setting you want to turn off. To see your battery status, drag down the notification panel from the top. Then find and tap the Settings icon. Tap Battery. For more details and to see what's been using your battery, tap Battery Usage.